Hello, fellow painter. Have you ever felt like maybe your watercolor paintings just aren't good enough? Don't worry, we all get that feeling. That's why I want to introduce to you this brand new Watercolor with Confidence course. In this full painting course, you're going to find tons of tools, resources, classes, worksheets, and even a printable journal that's all going to help you build up your self-confidence as a watercolor artist. It's not always easy to believe in yourself, and I totally get that, which is why I'm going to be here as your instructor and your guide to help get you through every single step in the whole course. You can expect this total course to be kind of like a meditative journey. From beginning to end, you'll grow so much as an artist, not just physically within your watercolor painting skills, but also in your mental mindset as an artist as well. We're going to cover absolutely everything from turning painting mistakes into painting positives, what it really means to be creative, and even how you can mentally set yourself up to make great progress in every single watercolor practice session that you ever do, even outside of the course and beyond. Like I already said, every step of this course is going to take you further and further into becoming the absolute best watercolor artist you can be. And it's going to teach you how to really paint with watercolors with total confidence. So, fellow artists, are you ready to get started?